stuffed animals to like hold it in frame. But I thought I'd do, I thought this would be kind of funny. I ordered pants from my grandma. I thought I'd show you what she got. There's like a specific style at Kohl's she wanted. So we got them in 420 blue. And we got these, which didn't come in a bag, with this little trim in the turquoise. What a queen. We also got, so we have blue, turquoise blue. We got navy. Yes. We got tan. Like a brown. My grandma Kohl's pants haul. That's that. We're gonna clean, organize, declutter my closet. So here's the before. I have this mountain of bags, purses, tote bags, whatever. Some of my shoes. Clothes all over the floor. Dresses, ring light, just, it's a disaster. So this is a before. Let's see it get clean. It might be 2 days later, but I did clean the closet the same day and I got it done. I just didn't want to film afterwards, but here's the after. So we're walking in. It's pretty clean. I moved the like folded shirts and stuff over here, and I still kept my boots at the bottom. But then I put the rest of my shoes up here. All those stayed hanging, those stayed hanging. All those bins are over here now, and I hung my pictures. This one I got at Goodwill, and I need to like clean it. I think like a magic eraser maybe will get that off. But I put it up for now as a reminder so I can clean it. And then this one, I have tape on it from when we moved so it wouldn't fall. And I'm going to take the tape off, but it says Bean Cave, get the fuck out. Love that. That stuff's organized. It's like kind of color coded. We got like extra blankets and pillowcases up here. My extra Hello Kitty stuff that I don't know where to put is up there. And then all my purses on this top shelf here, which kind of works, kind of is good. And then my husband's shirt, like dressy shirts, are up here. Then my mirror used to be on like a stand, but with the stand it didn't fit under there. So I just took it off the stand. And then our suitcase is here because we're going somewhere. And then I have my little poof. But that's it. Thank you for watching. Oh, want to see the... My mother-in-law got me this. It says Mama Bear on it. Okay, I love you. Cheers. See you later.